Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start with our today's class. So children, let's start our today's class. Before moving to our new topic, we'll just give a quick recap. So till now what we have studied in chapter time about the words earlier, later and shortly. So earlier means what? Before. Later means after and shortly means soon. So children, you can see in page number 18 of your textbook there is an activity. Take the activity that is done earlier in each of the following. So these are some of the activities which we do throughout the day. So you have to take the activity which we do earlier. Earlier means before. So the first two options are showering and brushing. So when we wake up children in the morning, after waking up what we do? We go and brush our teeth, isn't it? And then we take shower. Yes? So children, what is earlier? Brushing. This is how you have to do the rest. Clear? Next what we studied children is about the timeline. About the timeline. Isn't it? So the parts of the day, children, in a day you will see morning, noon, evening. Your sun rises in the morning, sun sets in the evening, and the sun is overhead at noon. Noon means that is 12 o'clock during the daytime. Okay? So as we have understood through this timeline, so what are the words that is 12 o'clock at night is called 12 midnight. Then 12 o'clock during the day is called 12 noon or we call midday. And from 12 noon to midday children, the time 12 hours time is there. There is afternoon and evening. Okay? And from midnight to your noon children is your morning. Understood? And this is how there is 24 hours in a day. 12 hours plus 12 hours makes 24 hours. So you know that in a day there are 24 hours. Is it clear? So let's start with our today's topic children. The learning outcome of today's class is to understand about the words, about the terms long and short duration. Okay? Bunty washed clothes in a washing machine daily. One day there was no power. He spent more time washing clothes by hand. He wondered why it took more time for same work. Can you think over it children? When she used to wash clothes in washing machine, it took less time. But one day there was no power, so Bunty spent more time washing clothes by hand. So why did it take more time children? Because machines run by electricity, isn't it? And it runs faster. When we wash clothes children, we do our own work with our hands. So it takes time, isn't it? So there is more time. Today we'll study about more time, which activity takes more time and which activity takes less time. Okay? So before starting with it children, I would like to show you a small video. This video is given in the YouTube children.
Today, let us learn about long and short duration. Let's begin. Annie and her father are going to the market. They are walking. Rosie and her father are also going to the same market but by a car. So, who would cover the distance in less time? Correct. Rosie will take less time while Annie will take more time to reach to the market.
Have you understood children? Rosie is going by car, so it takes less time, whereas Annie is walking children, so it will take more time.
Let's look at another example. Andy's school remained closed for 1 week for Christmas. But his school remained closed for 4 weeks for summer vacation. So, what do we understand from this? It means the school remained closed for a short duration or shorter time for Christmas holidays, and it remained closed for a long duration or longer time for summer vacation.
So children, have you understood about this? More time and less time, or short time or long time? Long time children, more time. Long time means, long duration means the work which takes more time, and short duration means the work which takes less time. Okay? So different activities take different time. Do you agree children? Different activities take different time. So let's see our example 5. Take the activity which takes less time in the given pair of activities. One is done for you. You take out page number 19 of your book children. So can you see some of the activities are given here? Some of the activities are given here, and can you tell which activity will take more time? So you can see that here we have to fill a glass. Which activity will take less time? Here it is asked which activity will take less time. Okay. So taking bath or children brushing your teeth. Brushing teeth takes less time, isn't it? Now you can see here we have to fill a small glass, whereas here we have to fill a bucket. So what will take less time? To fill a glass or to fill a bucket? To fill a glass, isn't it? So it will take less time. Next is you can see your kids going by walking, isn't it? They are walking. And here a kid is children riding cycle. So what will take more time? To reach by riding cycle or by walking children? What will take less time? By riding cycle, isn't it? Next is your children. You can see this is a lift. We all have used lift, isn't it? So this person is taking lift to go upstairs, whereas this person to go to the top floor children, whereas this person is going by stairs. So what will take less time children, to go by lift or to go by stairs? To go by lift will take less time, isn't it? Is it clear about more time and less time children? Okay, so that's all for today. Before concluding the class children, answer to this question: what takes more time, reading a book or brushing teeth? So you tell me children, you write this answer in your copy, think over it, and I will discuss the answer in the next class. Okay, what takes more time, reading a book or brushing teeth? Second question, what takes less time, traveling by aeroplane or traveling by bus? Okay, you think over this question and answer to this, and I will discuss the answer in our next class. Understood children? Okay, so before concluding, let's summarize what we have studied today in our today's class. In today's class children, we have studied about the long and short duration. That means the activity that takes more time and the activity that takes less time. Okay, so you try to see at home in which activity you take more time compared to the other. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.